Hey everybody! I'm here today with a video tutorial on playing the trombone. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you how to play high notes, and this will be a beginner tutorial. Let's get right into the video. So let's say you want to play high notes. It's actually really easy to do. It's basically the same as playing low notes, but you're just going to change a couple of small things with regards to your embouchure and your air movement, okay? So very, very simple and straightforward. First and foremost, let me get my mouthpiece. I'm going to do my best. I'm actually in my basement bathroom over here, so just bear with me. I'm kind of a little bit tight for space with the camera, and I got like a footstool over here that my kids use like when they want to wash their hands down here and stuff like that. So I'm just trying to work around. I got an extension cord plugged in charging the camera. I'm just trying to work around everything. Now essentially, I'm going to play a low note, and in the same position, which is position number one, I'm going to play a high note. Here's a low note. And here's the high note as well. I even got even higher on that one. Now, essentially I'm doing two things when I transition from playing a low note to playing a high note. First and foremost, I am tightening my embouchure. So instead of going, I'm going, right? Now that doesn't sound too good. A little bit of a weird position over here, but I'm tightening my embouchure. Definitely it is what I am doing, tightening up the embouchure, okay? Added a little bit of a growl in that one. So tightening up the embouchure, tightening up your lips being pressed together, and I'm also moving more air. When I am playing the low note, I'm just going like a light air pressure. Very, very light air pressure. When I am playing a higher note, I'm going like a much, much more air movement, a much stronger amount of pressure of the air coming out of my lips. Okay? Much more air pressure. And that's what it comes down to. And then you can work on your positions, right? So I'm a little bit rusty with this instrument. I'm working up the kinks. I'm also a beginner and I haven't warmed up right now, so bear with me. But essentially, you're tightening your embouchure and you are also moving more air. So I'm just going to slide the trombone slider with a low note, and then I'm going to slide it with a higher note and a little bit higher. So listen closely, okay? And then I'll go over one last tip, so stay tuned till the end because this is probably the most beneficial tip, okay? So listen closely to the low notes moving up to the high notes, okay? Okay, that got really high at the end there, but essentially what you'll notice is when I go with the low notes, I'm going all the way out, bringing it all the way in. Then as I get higher, I'm going less out and less out. I'm staying closer to the home position of one over here because in order to play high notes, essentially you want to stay within the earlier positions. So like 1, 2, and 3, those are going to get you the highest notes. Because when you move this out, you have to move a lot more air, okay? Whichever one is harder when you're trying to move a lot of air, it's harder to move this much air now. Also, the air has to travel further before it exits the trombone, which makes a lower note, right? When air travels further, it's lower. That's why this note over here is much lower than this note over here. Okay? Because the air travels further. So therefore, staying closer to the home position of 1, like staying, let's say 1, 2, and 3 positions, is going to allow you to play higher notes. If I try to play a high note all the way out here, it's going to be hard. I can play it, but it's really difficult. Whereas back here, somewhere like around here, let's say, it's much easier. Now, like I said, I'm still a beginner. I still need some work, but you get the idea. Those are the tips for how to play high notes on the trombone, an easy beginner tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.